Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to create these quick and easy fondant love bugs, so let's go ahead and get started. As you can see, the first thing we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to take a fondant ball and then we're going to roll it in between two scalp massager brushes. It's very important to make sure that these are completely new or they've only been used with food. You do not want to use one that has actually been used for your scalp. Now just go ahead and roll your fondant ball in between the two massagers. You just want to make sure that you get that texture all over your fondant ball, and if your fondant ball becomes misshapen, just go ahead and roll it side to side rather than in a round motion, and then you should be able to achieve a completely round ball. And once you have it the way you like it, go ahead and place that down on your parchment or board wherever you're making it. And now you're going to go ahead and roll out some more fondant. You want to keep it about 1/8 of an inch thick, and that's just because you're going to use it for your base piece and your antennae. So go ahead and take a small heart cutter, and you're going to cut out one heart, and that is going to be your love bug's feet. And as you can see, I tear off the edge just so that it doesn't have too much hanging out the back. And I go ahead and use some Tylose Glue on the bottom of that heart, and then real quick before I place the body on top of the feet, I'm just going to make 2 eyeball slots with my ball tool. Once you have that done, go ahead and place it down on your feet. And now we're going to go ahead and take our wire. As you can see, I'm using white floral wire. You can use any color, but for this I feel like white is more appropriate. So then I'm going to use a very tiny heart plunger cutter. And then I'm just going to go ahead and put a little bit of Tylose Glue on the end of those wires and stick both of those hearts on the end. And these little hearts on wires are going to be our love bug antennae. If you're having trouble making them stick, just go ahead and push them down with your fingers at the base. You want to make sure that they're not going to fall off. So make sure to taper that fondant down. Now go ahead and put a little bit of Tylose Glue on the end of your wire where you're going to be placing it inside the love bug. And just go ahead and stick it right in that body. As you can see, I'm leaving a tiny space in the center, so in between the antennae is about 1/8 of an inch to 1/4 of an inch. You can put them right next to each other, but I feel like it looks better when they're slightly apart. Now go ahead and put some Tylose Glue in your little eye sockets, and roll out some white for your eyeballs. You really want to make sure that your eyeballs are the same size. They do look a little funky if your eyes are one big and one small. And once you have the perfect ball, go ahead and stick them in the eye holes. And then we're going to go ahead and use our black to create the pupil. Now, as you can see, I will not be using Tylose Glue to attach the black onto the white, and that is because when I'm rolling the fondant in between my fingers, it's getting sticky and I won't actually need any Tylose Glue. In fact, if I was to put Tylose Glue on the eye, I would probably keep that piece of black stuck to my finger because the white fondant would be so slick. And that's it, guys. That's how you create this super simple love bug. You can create these guys in about 4 to 6 minutes, and they are the perfect cupcake toppers. Thank you so much for watching, guys.